What are we doing now?
This is the core bit that's made to drill through concrete and bricks.
That's a big
And
one.
we're going to test and see if it fits through the wooden hole that we just made. If not, we have to kind of force it through the wood before we get to the brick. And we want to do that before we start drilling the brick, so we're ready for tomorrow or the day we want to drill through the brick. So we just got to do a little touch up here for the size of the hole because it doesn't quite fit.
So we drilled through the wood and we drilled through the particle board. So the last part now is to drill through the brick. So this is going to take a little more effort to drill through the brick so that we can get to the outside. It's not going to do it, this drill?
We're going to have to use something else to modify the wood because it don't want to.
Oh, I think you have enough cord.
We almost got it.
Oh, it's... It's working, or is it working?
I have to send it away so much.
Oh, it's heavy. How thick is the brick? Shine the light on there, please, so I can see.
It is shining on there, dear. It's 4 inches thick.
4 inches, okay.
Why don't you extend your pole a little more? See?
Yeah, 4 inches thick, okay.
It's hard to see, but we got some light in there.
Okay. So hopefully we'll be able to get through this shortly, right?
Yeah, well, we gotta there's some modifying here.
Okay. Drilling, and we'll see how long it's going to take him to actually get through there. But the drill is pretty heavy, so we've got to keep our fingers crossed, but it won't take too long. So we'll see you soon.